3 cinematic sound effects for your next video. Cinematic reversed Brahms. Brahms that start with a reverse build-up. Ideal for creating a sense of anticipation and intrigue, making transitions more engaging. Cinematic tension strings. High-pitched, sustained string sounds that build suspense. Cinematic gasps. Sharp, sudden gasps that add a sense of shock and surprise. We've helped over 20,000 video editors on YouTube elevate their sound design skills. Now it's your turn. Get your free sound effects pack today. Click the link to download yours.